Hello, welcome to Cap Cooks, where we make meals fit for superheroes. As always, my little cat, my cooking partner. Say hi, little cat. Okay, today we're gonna make everybody's favorite. You know, it's early in the morning. Don't mind that. It's early in the morning and you're on your way to work. You know you gotta go through that drive-thru, right? I mean, everybody loves a nice breakfast sandwich. So we're gonna show you how to make a nice, simple breakfast sandwich at home, so you don't have to go through the drive-thru. Okay, you'll be in there. You know, you'll be in your car. You have your coffee. You have your breakfast sandwich. All right. So let's get started. Ready? Okay. First thing we're gonna do is take our little sandwich thins over here, and we're not going to use the oven. We would set it for 425, but we're going to use our little oven here. Set it for 425, and just kind of warm this up and get it ready. Okay, so you can use the oven, or you can actually use the toaster. But the problem with the toaster is, you know, sometimes it gets down in the little groove things there, you know. What you do, you push it down and you can drop them in. It doesn't come out with the fins as crispy as I like, so isn't that right? Or as crispy as he likes. The air fryer or your toaster oven or the oven at 425 will get your crisps nice and crispy. Alright, so that nice sound means it's ready to go. See? And that was like almost right away. We like fast. Alright, so it's hot, very hot, and we're just going to lay the fins on here, and then they will come out nice and crispy in about 5-10 minutes or so. What we're going to do is, got 2 eggs. I'm going to put them in this little glass ramekin thing here. There we go. And right over here. Alright, so I got the 2 eggs in here. I'm going to prick the yolks a little bit and the egg whites. Kind of helps try to keep it from popping. I know you hear that little pop pop, right? And we don't want a big thing all over. And yeah. Open. And I like to go about, 2 minutes or so on about, 50-60%. You kind of check it as you go along. And that's about it. We'll be eating very soon. Now over here, we still have our sandwich thins in here heating up. I mean, if you want to use, English muffins or something like that, that's fine. It's up to you. I prefer the non-starchy stuff. Alright, so while that's in there cooking, sometimes if you put a little salt in the bottom of the dish, it'll cook a little better than from the bottom up. This one I kind of forgot. Okay, yep. Still cooking, getting there. Over here, I have some American cheese. Okay, well, you can use any cheese you want. Little cat prefers cheddar, like you just said, but he's not the one. This sandwich isn't for you, so, not his. And of course, we have Canadian bacon. I'm going to put that on there too. No, I didn't go, I know it looks like. No, I did not get it from Canada. I got it at the store. You always get it. Alright? have the ham, which is Canadian bacon, and American cheese. That's what we use. Okay, so this has been here for a couple of minutes. Almost there. Just a little bit more. So figure another 30 seconds. And the power level is 50. Keeping the power levels low once again, so it doesn't, we don't get that big pop, pop, pop. You might hear a little bit, and you just kind of keep cooking it until it's ready. So once again, this was at 50 power. Every microwave is different. So this was about 50, about 2.5 minutes. Now right now, I can smell the fins, so I can check them. All right, we're looking pretty good, not quite ready. Flip these over just to, oh, there goes the egg. Flip these over a little bit. Let those come out nice and crispy. Now those are made mostly out of cauliflower. Our eggs, all right, looks pretty good. Let that cool down a little bit, still cooking. Okay, so sandwich things are done. Put this down here while they're still hot. And we're going to put a nice piece of cheese here. And then Canadian bacon. Ham, thank you very much. And I'll put another piece in here. Right. Grab a knife. And I'm going to take my egg. Around, came out pretty nice. Look at that, and that's what I like. Nice steam. Put that nice and hot. What we do? Yep, that's right. It's gonna help melt the cheese. We all like nice melted cheese. And look at that. See how that's melting nicely right around that egg there. Push down a little bit, and there we go. Look at that. There is our nice Cap Special breakfast sandwich. Alright? And you don't have all